Hi everyone, guess what came in today? Oh my goodness, today just got awesome. So I got the classic and the kids. I think that's how it goes. Either way, we'll find out right now. So let's see what we get. I'm so excited. I didn't see any sneak peeks. I don't know. Oh, there's a sneak peek. Okay, for August. I'll show it to you guys. I won't look. Because I kind of like the whole, so that's a sneak peek. They usually have a 50% off your first subscription. Look for a coupon code, you guys. When it comes to coupon codes, I always Google everything. I Google when I want something and I'm like, this is like Small World. And I just, yeah, I don't wait for anybody's answer. I Google. And then honestly, you can get so many answers that way. It's so much easier, you guys. And then you don't have to wait for anybody, and you know, Google will tell you anything. These are so cool. Says someone taking a shower. So you get to be a peeping Tom in your layout or in your sticker thing. How funny, someone's taking a shower and they have a sticker for that. Today I peeped Tom. So, oh gosh, yep. It's kind of weird, but that's what makes life fun. Okay, and these are, oh, I was like, oh my god, they're hanging a freaking dog. Wow, it's gonna be that kind of video, you guys. Maybe I should look at, I'm not gonna look at the screen. Let me look at the design first. So it's in a backpack. I saw this first and I was like, oh my god, it's a dog. And so, and not in a good way. Poor doggy. I'm like, hello. But no, it's fine. It's in a backpack. Some of them, when you start them off as puppies, can handle that. But I'm sure if you have like a golden retriever, it might be a little bit difficult to shove his butt in a backpack. But, you know, I guess if there's a will, there's a way. And if the dog's going to let you, then more power to you. So, I love travel. How cute is that? That's a big old suitcase, you guys. That is so cute. And you get all the stickers that go with it. Little stamps. It's so cool. Okay. And we have, oh, another suitcase. So this is travel month, and she's contemplating how she's going to pay the bill when she comes back home. Oh wait, is that me? Let's see. And we have, oh, look how cute that one is. Aww. Planes, trains, and automobiles. And we have, oh, a gnome, an angry gnome. That's an angry gnome. He is not happy. He does not want to go on vacation. He doesn't want to be stuck in someone's garden. Okay, and the postcard is a sticker also. I love the colors. Aren't those great? Vibrant. Vibrant. I need help. There we go. And we found out we get 15 stickers, right guys? National tour. Lisa Loeb. Someone must be a Lisa Loeb fan in Pipsticks area. I can't remember any songs of hers. I'm more of a heavy metal girl, so I'm not sure who Lisa Loeb is. But I think, I don't know, is she a one-hit wonder? I don't know. I don't care enough to Google either, so it's okay. As long as you guys know. It's all that matters. So cute. I feel like Indiana Jonesy kind of thing right here. Kind of cool. So, oh, look how vibrant this one. So, oh, San Francisco, yeah, it's vibrant. Let's see. I live 2 hours away from San Francisco, so I know about San Francisco. Let's see. And 15 stickers, $19.25, and that includes shipping. I love it. This is that a head? Oh no. Oh my gosh, when I looked at the view screen, it kind of looks like a head right there. It looks like a woman's head. Like, this is kind of a weird one today. But no, it's just me. And then you have this alphabet, the ABCs. No numbers. I hate when they don't have numbers. I love numbers. And you get a hippo, sunshine, and tan lines. Oh, how cute is that? Yep, so cute. It's a sticker. Okay, so that I believe was the classic. So this one is going to be the kids, which this one should determine what we like. Yeah, what we like, you guys, as far as you always get a booklet. What you want to, if you can only afford one, which one do you want to get, you know? So I say kids, but I'm gonna let this one be my deciding factor, because, well, I'm gonna keep both though. But yeah, and I am, oh, let me take that apart, apparently. Oh, I love the puffy stickers. Uh-oh, did I lose a sticker? Did I lose a sticker? I hope I didn't lose a sticker. Oh, that's stinky if I did. Oh, I lost a sticker somewhere. Maybe it's on the book. Nope. Maybe we'll find it behind something else, but there's a sticker missing. I want my puffy stickers. So I'm thinking this is my third one, right? This is my third time in this subscription. I love it. It's puffy stickers. So cute. Okay, so move this one out of the way. Keep this one here. Do you guys see the extra eye? Not the extra eye, the eye. And then, oh, look at the backpack. That is so cute. So cute. We have this one. You are awesome. #1 fan. We have this one. Aw, how cute. She's got like brains on the top of her head. Do you see that? It looks like brains. I'm smart. I'm so smart, my brains are on top of my head, not inside. And then we have sandwiches. Because sandwiches are life. Peanut butter and jelly. Strawberry jelly. Not grape. Yeah. No grape. And we have a bus and bicycle. And vibrant lime green stars. Cute. I got a sticker from one of my PLs. I don't know how that got in there. Funny. Just to let, if my PL peeps watch, you know, who watch my videos, if you watch my haul videos too, then I just want to let you know I just finished week 12, and I'll be filming that either on Monday or Tuesday. But I'll be with you soon, so it's not all about the hauls, but holy timing, you guys. Time. Oh, this is like my childhood, the metal lunch bells. I'm like, I want a mom that makes me a sandwich that looks like that. I don't want to be the mom that makes a sandwich like that. So, if anyone's willing, I want a sandwich that's loaded. Let's see. Oh, rocket ships. Oh, Crayola. It's a crayon rocket ship. A crayon rocket ship. Where's my pointy? A crayon rocket ship and a rocket ship with a paintbrush. And this one is a pencil. This one's a pencil and a crayon and a paintbrush. So, it's pooping out a paintbrush. So, let's see. And we got another one. Oh, for the little horse lovers. How sweet. Sweet. I just, on my PL video, I just finished, my PL layout, I just finished. I used a Pipstick sticker on one of the layouts. It was so cute. I'm so happy. I think I used 2 actually. No, 1. I tried to use 2, but it didn't work out. So, 1. So I like the yellow girl. It's kind of, you know, she's kind of jaundiced there. She may need to go to the hospital because that's not a good color. And pink is a little bit pink. So, yeah. Very hospital-y type of people right now. And then we have this one. Oh, I love this one. You can dress them. So it's like those dress dolls that you can do. What are they called? I can't remember. But they're not dress dolls, but they're, I don't know. You dress them up though. Put some clothes on them. So, and oh, look at this one. That's super cute. I love that. Very unique. Oh, look at this one, you guys. Yes. Okay. So my verdict is, if I can only get one of these subscriptions, I would choose the kid. I would choose the kid pack in a heartbeat. This is up my alley. This is amazing. I wish I could smell this. I don't think I'll ever get my smell back, so cute. And then look at this. That's the postcard. You always get a postcard, and then you usually get like a sticker, a regular sticker, and then the packs. $19.25, you guys. Go for it. It's worth it. So let me know, which one would you choose, kid or classic? Bye. See you next month.